Step 1. Create a prompt that produces amazing, tailored content for your students. Our AI-driven technology ensures your students get exactly what they need. Step 2. Utilize PromptROI to seamlessly incorporate that prompt into your courses and workshops while safeguarding your intellectual property with prompt cloaking technology. Step 3. Share these prompts with your students and watch them achieve immediate results. Step 4. Take it a step further by creating a collection of prompts in your marketplace. Step 5. Sell access to these outputs again and again, or offer memberships with super privileges for your users. Join the future of online education with PromptROI. It's time to empower your students and your business. Ready to transform your online courses? Visit PromptROI and revolutionize your educational offerings today.